Hi everyone, welcome back again. In this video, we are going to learn how to place image from one image to another, right? Using Photoshop. Now, one thing you need to understand is that we need one image which is having no hairs or have different hair. You can remove that. And one image with hairs, right? So we need one image with no hairs, that's and the another image with hairs, right? So we need one image of a person with no hairs and another image with hairs. First of all, I have a question for you all. Why most of the rich people have no hairs? Why they all are bald? Give me the answer in the comment. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use lasso tool and I'm going to take out the hairs from this image. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take this out very easily. It's not that difficult, but you need to be very careful. Okay. Now after you get this, right, what you need to do, you need to right click and you need to go to select and mask. Okay. After that, you're going to select the negative mask here, and I'm going to remove all this portion where we have this, right? So be careful, be very careful. Oh, wait. Okay, now what we're going to do, we go to the selection on the right side and we go to new layer and I'm going to click OK. This gave me a new layer with only hairs. I want to pick that up and I'm going to move to the other image of Jeff Bezos, and now you go to the selection tool and you have to take out only the hair part, adjust it up, right, properly. Right. Now after the adjustment, so after you have adjusted the hairs, now what you're going to do, now after you have adjusted the hairs, now we are going to click on this icon right here. Now you click, after you have now after you have now after you have placed the hairs, you're going to click outside, and then after that go to this selection tool, right, click here, and then after that you're going to click on brush, go to the brush, right. I'm going to click on the color selection here. I'm going to move this to the very black, right, area. I'm going to click on OK. Then after that you're going to use the opacity. I'm going to make the opacity as 50%, right, and I'm going to remove the color from here. So you need to check, it depends on the pigmentation of the skin or the color of the skin. that how much you have to change the opacity. So I'm going to change it like this. So this is, I think, is not good. I'm going to increase that up to some 65 and then try this, right? I think 65 is a bit better. I'm going to increase it a little bit more. I think this is going to be perfect. I'm going to use that, right? So go for it and use it properly, right? I think I need to increase it a little bit more. You can use that, right? The 75 is perfect, you can see. So depending on your, you know, feature, you need to check that how much is the best value, right? I think here I need to reduce down opacity a little. Um, Increase that a little bit. Go there. It always depends on that how much you have, you know, worked on the taking out the hairs properly and the opacity that you have used for the image, right? I think it's much better now. Use that here also a little bit. I think that's enough, right? Now what we're going to do is that after you're done with this, now what we are going to do, we're going to change the shyness of the color. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to change the curve. Go to the curves here and you change this. If you see, if you reduce this, it will become more darker, right? If I move it on the left side, right, the curve moving to the left side, see, if I move this curve on the downside left, it will become more darker. But if I move it up, you can see it become more brighter and brighter, and now you can see it looks very good, right? So this is it. This is how you place hairs from one image to another. I hope you like this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Follow me for more.